4 decades of trust and partnership. A humble beginning in 1974. With corporate offices at Noida and New Delhi and presence in Pune and Bangalore, today Pankaj Electronics is one of the leading distributors of power electronics products in India. Our strength, our principles. Our pride, our customers. Our excellence, our products. Power semiconductors, relays and integrated circuits, capacitors, resistors, current and voltage sensors, thermal management products, high voltage products.
We have and will continue to expand our product range, keeping in focus the latest development in the electronics world, ensuring our customer get easy sourcing access of the best-in-class products and technologies.
Our products are key components for industries like traction, power supplies, welding and heating, wind energy, high voltage, and many others. To grant more efficient order processing system, we are now on SAP, the best of class in the industry.
Our commitment to be a system-driven organization led us to SAP, and its execution by my team has been a transformational experience for me and the company.
The result is automated flow of information to our customer and supplier. Their smile is our pride.
We are a team of 20 plus highly proficient members, a cohesive force which nurtures our principles and caters to our customers.
When I started the business in 1974, my vision was very clear that I will not become a general trader, but I will establish Pankaj Electronics as an organized distribution house within a space of industrial electronics.
Since 2000, Pankaj Electronics has been our valued distributor for high-power semiconductors in the Indian market. Pankaj's sound market and application knowledge, their local market intelligence, as well as continuous prime sales and promotion performance is greatly appreciated and of major value for our success in India.
We are business associates with Pankaj Electronics since last 12 years for semiconductor and sensor. Messrs. Pankaj Electronics meets our expectation for quality and timely delivery. Recently, Pankaj took a leaping stride by setting up an independent global application and design center called TMI Design Tech to assist both our overseas principals and customers in the use of new generation technologies to their optimal limits.
It's really exciting to collaborate and use my technical skills and design experience in the domain of power electronics. We would enable our customers to maximize output from their products.
We at Pankaj believe growth should respond to a sense of responsibility towards humanity. We spend 2% of our profits towards our CSR endeavors.
Our ability to offer any logistic solutions such as shipment modes, multiple currencies, credit offerings, anything whatsoever required to win a business is unique and absolute. We will continue to surprise ourselves with our focused learnings and adaptation to raise our efficiency benchmarks. The tag of a dependable supplier to our customers and a reliable partner to our principals since 1974 is a mission forever.
Here I can dream.
I can learn.
I can grow.
I have limitless possibilities.
Come together in this inspiring journey.
At Pankaj, we touch, move and inspire.